All right, so we'll do an oil change on a GasGas 2022 MC 450. I removed the plate, and we're going to start with removing the drain bolt right here and let it drain. I'm gonna give it a nice clean and replace the crush washer. As this is done draining, we're gonna go on the bike and we're going to open that bolt on the left. This one comes out, it has a little screen on it, and we're gonna give it a nice clean with some contact cleaner. And now we're going to remove this screw, which has the longer screen in it. As we're pulling out, we're going to clean it real nice and continue the next steps. Now we're going to open the filter, remove those two screws, and pull the filter out. Now the filter is out. I'm going to drain everything and start putting bolts back together and the filter. So before I put this guy back in, I like to apply a tiny little bit of grease around the O-rings and the thread itself. I did it here, and I put another second one on the bottom. And I'm going to close this one, like the drain bolt here, and then I'm going to do the filter. So some people like to submerge the filter with oil. I don't do it. I just put it as is and then put the amount of oil needed to make sure it's on the right amount. Rubber goes in first. This one goes back. We're just going to put it back inside. Hold it in and close those two screws, not over tightening them. I like to go with a torque wrench just to make sure. The drain bolt goes 14.9, basically 15-pound torque, and the two screens are going about 11. And this one I close by hand. It's like 10 Newton meter, like very, very light. Try it with one hand, but I put already like 1 liter. Now I'm adding another 0.2. So total 1.2. I smidge put a tiny bit above it. I'm going to check the window. Needs to run the engine, get it submerged into the filter, and we'll see after that. That's the part I like to start the bike, let it sit for a minute. After we're done, we're going to balance the bike to be straight. And look at the eye here, it's supposed to be half or more. Now we can see the bike is balanced. Or it's a little above half. This is looking good. That's it. It's ready to rock.